There's number 2. Like it just kind of popped up. That's an airplane. I thought. Maybe it's not an airplane. Oh, there it is. That's definitely not an airplane. Today is a high-risk day. So, an interesting bit is that the storm watch, this isn't warned or anything, but the storm watch wasn't calling for tornadoes being a possibility, but the outlook does. So I don't know. What do I believe? Of course, I'm still charging all my stuff from last night. I think it's just getting started. 2 minutes ago, the sun was out. Extremely rumbly. It's like not moving. This is what I mean about it being a lot nicer when it's nighttime, because you could see all this lightning that it's shooting if it was night, but it's not, so you can't see anything. I bet this would be just as awesome as last night if there were no sunlight. But that's not how that works. Alright, there's the end of it. Anyway, I'm gonna shut this off because I think it's mostly just rumbling and that's kind of boring, so we'll see what the rest of the day brings. I went to go out and do something. I didn't realize it was actually raining this much. I made my mother remove her card when it was raining out. Oops. Now, oh well, needed to be done anyway. Let's go. No hail, please. I said, no hail, please. There was a flash. This is turning into a storm line, a line segment. It wasn't supposed to be a storm chase. There was a nice flash. So I found our storm. I'm just hoping that there's nothing crazy here. Like I said, no hail, please. If there's hail, I'm turning around. There's a flash. I think it was just over there. There's some idiot behind me with no headlights on. Over there. I'll never learn my lesson and get a side camera going. I will never learn my lesson on that one. Bam. That was close. As long as it doesn't strike my car, I'm happy. I should turn the defroster on. Yeah, it's like over here too. So we're like right in the middle of it. I do have a practical purpose in mind for this trip. Of course it does it when I have the camera away from it. Let's see if we can just point it over there. That's looking kind of nasty, actually. I don't mind telling you. I don't think the camera will have actually even seen it. I saw it. I was looking right at it. We're going to be driving right into it here in a second. There you go. There it is. Right there. This traffic light's dead. Of course, now it's behind me. Now it's behind me. Of course. I think it knows. That actually doesn't look so hot. I think that's just scud, but, you know, you never know. Wow, they're all dead, all the way up here. Just make sure that somebody doesn't run me over. Yeah, it's behind me. That is looking kind of awful. Well, if there was going to be a tornado in this, it'd be right where I am right now. Like I said, I had a practical purpose in mind for this trip. I almost want to just turn around. Because remember, I don't get the warnings on the phone. Look at that. This might actually be rotation. Yeah, look at where that's moving. This is going the other way. Wow. Yeah, this might be... Yeah, maybe not. That might just be Scud going in every which direction, but yeah. Man. I think I'm gonna go do what I came here to do and get out. Before this actually turns. I mean, look at that. Wow. I haven't seen something like this in a long time. Now the power's out. Yeah, the emergency light's on. Hopefully I can get out of here. There, it's always out of frame. Every time. This is a giant metal structure, by the way. I may or may not actually even want to be here. There it is. Cool, that's Mamadas up there. That's what that looks like. I think I'm gonna just go. I'm not gonna waste any more time. It's dead and I'm stuck. I can't get out. I'm stuck. There's no battery backup on that. And they only have an after-hours emergency line. Turn that off, there's no rain. So I gotta wait until the power comes back. Or give them a call, I suppose I could do that. But I think we'll just enjoy this storm. Here's the part where the hail comes. I stayed here too long. I knew this was going to happen one of these times. Yeah, there's gotta be rotation in that. I'm sorry, there's rotation in that. There's absolutely rotation in that. It might be about to tornado, like right in front of me. Who knows when the power is actually going to come back on. I can't crash the gate. And it's Canada Day, so no one's around. can't believe those don't have battery backup. It's actually a little bad. Okay, forget last night's storm. This one's even better. It's just too bad I'm trapped. Oh my god. I can't even see when this stupid thing is gonna turn back on. Well, now there's a warning. Strong wind, quarter-size hail, heavy rain. No mention of rotation, even though we definitely saw rotation on that. I wonder if there's something on the actual gate that I can press. I think the storm is over. I think that's mostly moved away. It's just rain now. But I can't get out of here. So I don't know what to do. I wonder if round 2's coming. Still no power. At least there seems to still be no power. Yeah, it got dark again. Yeah. The only evidence of any activity anywhere is the fact that there's an emergency light in here. So it's funny that they can have that, but they can't have the gate on battery backup. I think the gate would be far more important than that thing, but who knows? Maybe the gate is on battery backup and it's just dead. I could believe that. Because it doesn't happen very often, but I imagine it doesn't happen very often. They're saying that the power might not be back until 5. I really hope for the sake of my sanity that it's up sooner, because otherwise I might have to call them. It's like 3:15 right now or so. And I can't spend another 2 hours here. I don't have the time of day for that. There's wasps nest up there. Oh. Hey, there it is. Haha. Alright, I'm gonna clean all this crap up and get out of here while I can. That works really well. That's actually hard on the eyes. I wonder if I should call that in. Probably. Oh, it just stopped. This is what it sounds like in here when it's raining. Except if you look outside, I mean, it is raining, but not really. So I can't even begin to imagine how deafening this must be in the middle of a thunderstorm. I guess I could have found out if I'd walked in here when it was raining really hard earlier, but oh well. Too late for that. Nope. It's complaining about a tamper lockout, so I am going to have to give them a phone call. Great. There we go. We're out. Okay. Lesson learned. Don't do that again. So what I am actually going to do is I'm going to go and see if I can close that box. Manually? Because at least I can jump the gate. If I have to. Do I care? I don't really care. You know what? Fuck it. I don't give a shit. I'm just going to leave. I'm done. I've had enough. Yeah, it just closed. Okay. Closed on its own. Good. Good. Alright, let's go home because I'm tired of being not at home. That was entertaining. Well, at least now I know what to do when it happens again.